Perl tutorial part 37, passing a web form where the method equals post. In the previous tutorial we created a web form where the method equals post. Now we're going to capture that data in the script and print it out. All our input fields in our form have key value pairs, so name equals something, and then the different fields all have their own names. So to capture our post data when it is submitted, we have a very special block of code that somebody has written that has become standard. So I will copy and paste that block of code in. Okay, so when the form is submitted, this block of code will capture the data via standard in and basically read it into, first of all, an array of pairs, and then put it into all the values, key value pairs, into a hash, like so. Now you don't have to copy this block of code because I have a page on the web where you can just copy it from, so I'll just give you that address now. Okay, you can copy this block of code from this page on the web, scriptsocket.com/code.php. Now after our block of code here has passed the data, we can assign variable names to each of our values. So first of all, the user gave their name, and that was name equals name. So this is where we bring the word name back in, and we're going to assign that the variable called name. So this will be the person's name. Now next we had a bunch of food, so we assign them our variables: burger, fries, Coke, coffee, tea, and then here are all the names that we gave. Now next we ask for the payment method, so we can give that a variable name, payment. It comes from the word payment, name equals payment. We have the variable payment. Next we asked if they were a first time customer and perhaps to leave some comments. So we capture them with our first time, name equals first time, and our comments, and we assign them some variable names. And then finally we had a hidden variable, which is our store that the order came from. I'll move all these up into one group. So those are our variables. Once we've collected our variables, we can print them out. So I've created a confirmation order, a block of HTML, so we can print thank you name variable. Here is your order, burger, and if they've ordered a burger that will say yes. Same with fries, Coke, coffee and tea. If they've ordered this, it'll just say yes next to it. The payment type, whether if they're a first time customer, yes or no, and any comments they make, and the store that the order was made at. Now the next thing to do is upload the script to your server in ASCII mode, chmodit755, and we will proceed to our form, fill it in and submit it. So after you have uploaded your script and called it what you called it in the action equals attribute of the opening form tag, of course, we can put some info in. So I'm going to have burger, fries, Coke. I'm going to pay with my account because I've got an account with this restaurant. I'm not a first time customer, and I say thanks a lot. And now let's place our order. And now we print out, thank you Mark, here is your order. Burger, yes. Fries, yes. Coke, yes. Payment with the account. First time customer, no. Thanks a lot. And our hidden form field, the Smith Street store. So that's how to pass a form with the post method. Keeps the data private with no query string.